What is good, YouTube? It is me, Luke, back at it again here at the airport. And we're just here finna watch some planes take off. It's gonna be lit, y'all. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. We're at the airport right by my house. Well, not right by my house, but in the area I live in. I don't mind sharing, it's Detroit Metropolitan Airport. I think you can hear that plane. I hope you can hear that. So yeah, Pop's over here. Dad?
Yeah. Hey, how y'all doing?
Good.
How's it going?
Yeah.
Y'all doing?
You know, on the blue deck parking. I'm glad this is closed off down there. Because trust me, I am not one for heights.
This one down here at the end, they all taking off this way.
That way.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, from that way. Get over there.
Go ahead, take off, buddy. Yep. There they go, folks.